through empty streets, through endless rain. Every ripple tells a story drowned of love I lost but never found. Your shadow dances on the tide, reflected lights where dreams collide. I walk alone where we once stood. Your voice still echoes through the wood. The dog beside me knows my pain. He listens softly to the rain. Each drop reminds me you're not gone. You live in every broken song. The rain between us, it never ends. It falls like time that never bends. I reach across the flooded street, but only ghosts my fingers meet. We cross now, whisper slow. The water's high, but memories flow. Your laughter drifts on candle flame. I close my eyes and call your name. The rain between us, cold and white, it hides the truth I've tried to hide. Each tear I shed, each note I play, just brings your shadow back my way. The sky breaks down, I shout your name, but silence answers just the same. The wind becomes my only friend. It carries weight rain between us sets me free.